So the petal itself, like I said, I did wood burn 10 by 10 inch pieces. And I like to use, when I'm doing this petal, we have to do like a sliding technique. So I happen to like doing this petal on my glass cutting mat. Now you can do it just on your table or your normal cutting mat, but you'll see why I like to use the glass cutting mat. And these you can get on Amazon. I do have it on Lori's Favorite Tools. This cutting mat is awesome. It's the glass for wood burning. It has all the numbers already on it. I just put a white envelope underneath so I can see it better when I'm wood burning. And then I just put, most mesh that I'm going to wood burn are either 10 or 10.5 inches. So I kind of mark, so I don't even have to look at the numbers. I know the orange is 10.5 and my black lines are 10. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of mesh, whether it be 10.5 or 10 inches, curl up in front of you, which means it rocks back and forth. I'm going to put mine in a diamond shape, okay? I always have my, when I'm making petals, I always have my factory or finished edge at the top left and bottom right. That way it doesn't matter what kind of petal I'm making, it always comes out the same, okay? You're going to take the top of your mesh, bring it down to the bottom corner, and line up your edges. Now this is where poly burlap is really nice because it folds nice, it's soft on your hands, all that stuff, okay? So you have a triangle. Now you're going to take, I'm right-handed, so if you ever watch me, my tattoo's always my right hand. You're going to take this right corner and just fold it over and match it up with this left corner here. And this is what you have. And this is why I think we called it the Star Trek petal. Okay? Because it does look like the Star Trek emblem. So why not call it the Star Trek petal? Okay, so once you have your Star Trek petal, just hold the point up at the top here. And this is why I like to use the glass, because I'm going to slide these two corners together like that. So hold your point, slide the corners so that both are the same length down here. Then you're going to take this middle that's puffing out. You're going to push it down. Okay, so it's going down in the middle. And then you're going to bring these two edges in together. And it makes like a little gap here. All right. And then bring the sides in. Okay. We're going to leave about a 2-inch tail. So okay, so that is what is called a Star Trek petal. Now you can use it this way, where it's got like a divot in, or you can use it like a scoop. Whatever way you do it the same all the way around, so it stays like uniform looking. So this will give you more of a 3D looking flower because the petals are going up, and this one is more, you know, a basic petal.